Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Sammy Abdulrahman, your English VIP teacher. I want to talk about Peter Judge, but this time with questions. I will ask you so many questions and please answer all the questions. And listen to these sounds and this video on YouTube more than 5 or 6 times. Okay everyone, let's get started. I'm gonna read it first and I ask you the questions, and also you can see the questions on the screen. Peter Judd joined the army when he was 18, and for several months he was taught how to be a good soldier. Question number 1. Who joined the army in the age of 18? Yes, Peter Judd. Peter, when he was 18, he joined the army. Great. Number 2. How old was Peter when he joined the army? How old was he? Yes, very good. When he was 18 years old. When he was 18 years old, he joined the army. Great. Number 3. How many months was he taught? Several months. For several months, he was taught. Number 4. Why were they taught? Good. They were taught to be a good soldier. They were taught to be a good soldier. Very good. Let's go. He did quite well in everything except shooting. One day, he and his friends were practicing their shooting, and all of them were doing quite well except Peter. Question number 1. What did not he do well? Peter. What didn't Peter do well? Yes, shooting. He didn't do well in shooting. Very good. So shooting is his problem. He could not hit the target. Good. Number 2. What did they practice with his friends? Shooting. Very good. He and his friends were practicing their shooting. Their shooting. Number 3. Were they doing well all? No. Other people, other young soldiers, yes, they did very well in shooting, but except Peter. Very good. So they were doing well except Peter. Number 4. Who was not doing well? I mean in shooting, of course. Who wasn't doing well in shooting? Peter. Peter Judd didn't doing well in shooting. Great. After he had shot at the target 9 times and had not hit it once, the officer who was trying to teach the young soldiers to shoot said, question number 1. How many times did Peter shoot? How many times? 9 times. Very good. 9 times Peter had shot at the target. Number 2. How many times had he hit the target? Not once. He couldn't, and he had not hit it once. Number 3. Who talked to Peter? Who talked to Peter? Yes, the officer. The officer who was trying to teach the young soldiers to shoot talked to Peter. Okay, you are quite hopeless, Peter. Don't waste your last bullet. 2. Go behind that wall and shoot yourself with it. Question number 1. What did the officer say to Peter? Yes, the officer said, don't waste your last bullet too. Go behind that wall and shoot yourself with it. Number 2. Did the officer really want Peter to kill himself? No, never. the officer didn't want Peter to kill himself. Just the officer was very angry with Peter because Peter couldn't hit the target only once. So he was very angry and just like joking, like angry words, say, go behind that wall and kill yourself. That's it. Not in real situation. Number 3. Why did the officer angry with Peter? Why? Yes, because Peter could not hit the target once. He shot at the target 9 times, but he couldn't hit the target only once. Very good, let's go. Peter felt ashamed and he went behind the wall, and a few seconds later the officer and the other young soldiers heard the sounds of a shot. Number 1. How did Peter feel? Yes, he felt ashamed. He felt ashamed. Very good. Number 2. Where did he go? Yes, he went behind the wall. He went behind the wall. What did he want to do? Peter, what did Peter want to do? Okay, Peter wanted to kill himself. Peter wanted to shoot himself with the gun. Number 4. What did the other people hear? Yes, a few seconds later, the other young soldiers and the officer also heard the sound of a shot. Good. Heavens, the officer said. Has that silly man really shot himself? He ran behind the wall anxiously, but Peter was all right. I'm sorry, sir, he said, but I missed again. Good. Number 1, what did the officer ask? Yes, the officer said, heavens! And the officer asked, has that silly man really shot himself? Has that silly man really shot himself? Number 2, what did he do then? The officer, what did the officer do then? Yes, he ran behind the wall. He ran behind the wall quickly. Number 3, how did he feel? How did the officer feel? Yes, the officer anxiously. He felt bad. He anxiously went and ran behind the wall. Good. Anxiously. Anxiously. Number 4. Did Peter kill himself? No. No, 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 no. Peter did not kill himself. Peter could not kill himself. Why? Because Peter missed again. Very good. Peter missed again. Okay, everybody, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this. Please answer all the questions again and again for more than 5 or 6 times.